In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you guys our favorite lashes for all of your Valentine's Day activities. First up is our favorite lash for that special movie night in Netflix and chill, one might say. And that lash comes from our natural kit, and it is our Cheeki Lash. The Cheeki Lash is the smallest accent lash we have, and it's a part of our OG lash collection. It's perfect for those of you out there who have small eyes and might want to go a little lash incognito. So we think it would be perfect for that date night in. Our next favorite lash is for our Valentine's Day night out. Maybe you and your girls are gonna go out to the club and you want that dramatic eye look. This lash comes from our dramatic kit, and it is the Sassy Lash. Our Sassy Lash is our best-selling lash for a reason. It's our most natural mink lash, and it looks great on all different eye shapes. It would be perfect for that night out with your girls. Our next favorite lash for when you are going on that first date night with the person maybe you've had a crush on for a really long time and you want the right lash for that look. This lash comes from our love kit and is the Wifey Lash. Pun intended. The Wifey Lash is a beautiful tapered vegan lash for mid to large size eyes. It's perfect for everyday wear or as a statement set of lashes for that special night out. So it would be perfect for that first date night out. Last but not least, our favorite lash for those of you out there who might be celebrating an anniversary during Valentine's Day. I actually do myself. And that lash comes from our Glam Kit and is the Money Lash. The Money Lash has a really unique distribution of lashes to give it that look expected from a name like Money. They're evenly distributed rather than cat eye tapered, and it's ideal for adding drama to big, beautiful eyes. Perfect, of course, for celebrating that anniversary with the one you love. That is it for our favorite lashes for all of your Valentine's Day events and activities. We hope that this video was helpful to you and helped you decide which lash will be best for what you're doing for Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up down below, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. Happy Valentine's Day, and we'll see you in our next one.